How is it going, crypto family? I hope you are having a great day. The plan for today is to execute a profitable trade, and we wanna buy this peaceful pelican NFT and flip it for a little profit on a different marketplace on OpenSea, as since I can see a arbitrage that can be traded here. If we look at the price, this is 0.135 Ethereum, and I'm thinking about flipping this one because this one has a special trait called evolving pose. And if we look this trait on the different marketplace, we can see that the cheapest one is going for 155, and we have offers for this trait for 147. So if we can sell for this price and buy a little bit lower for this, we also need to deduct the fees that is gonna add up on both marketplaces. Hopefully we will be able to make some profit. I cannot guarantee this, but let's try it out. So before buying this, you need to make sure that the NFT you are buying is not flagged. What I mean by that, I run into an NFT that I not bought on OpenSea but on a different NFT marketplace like Rooks Rare. So to show you this one, I'm gonna be showing the cheapest one, and to double check if it's okay or not, you need to copy the number and go on OpenSea and just enter the number here. The NFT will pop up even though it's not listed on OpenSea, and you will see that this item is flagged, for example. So what that means that you won't be able to sell this on OpenSea, but you will still be able to sell it on any other marketplace, but OpenSea is one of the main ones, so we want to avoid buying NFTs like this. But checking our target, right here, you can see that it's 7,041. If we enter it here, let's double check, nothing pops up, so that's good. We can proceed, and we can see the best offer is for this amount. Also, if we filter the evolving trait, you can see the offers here. So let's click on buy now. I'm using MetaMask wallet. You will see the approximate fee here. So we need to calculate this one as well into our equation. I clicked confirm. Let's wait for the transaction to be completed. And as you can see, we bought the NFT. Let's look at it in our wallet. It's right there. And if we go on our activity, we can see the sell here, and let's see what the price was that we paid. You can see that the value was this amount and the transaction fee was this. So let's add these up quickly, plus the transaction fee. So you can see that the total value that we paid for this NFT was 0.1376. I just make a note of this quickly. 0.1376. buying price. Now comes the second part, when we want to sell our NFT. So let's load it in, and I go on OpenSea Pro, because there I don't need to pay the 2.5% fee for the OpenSea site. They have a promotion running. Looks like I can sell it right here. Not on OpenSea, but on OpenSea Pro. This is the price they are willing to pay. And I just click sign, generating transaction. And it goes 0 with the fees. The minimum is 0.5. I need to pay a 2.5% fee on the platform. So the proceeds will be this amount, as you can see. Let's see what we can come up with. There is a smaller free fee to allow OpenSea to access our collection. Let's click confirm, approve. You need to do this the first time you are selling NFTs from a collection. The sell is approving. And the price we are paying is quite high for the transaction. It's almost $10. But hey, let's try it and see what the end result is. Confirming the sell now. Success. The NFT was sold. And let's see, add up everything. These are the platform fees that were deducted. This is the creator fee, this is the gas fee we paid, but that's, as far as I can see, is not deducted from the price. So we also need to deduct that one. 1431 minus 0041 1390. The buying price was 0.1376 Ethereum, and the selling price was 0.139 Ethereum, and minus the buying price. So this is our little profit. Not too much. If we times it by the today's price of Ethereum, which is around 1,900, it comes down to $2.50 profit. Hey, it was a good try. We made some money at the end. I hope this video was helpful for you and you could learn something from it. See you guys next time for another tutorial.